Welcome back to Carolina Rut Cuddles. Today we have a vehicle that I don't think we've ever driven on Carolina Rut Cuddles, at least not yet. And what is that, people? A Honda 650 Rincon. I'm working on this for somebody. They had a bad head. I showed it a couple weeks ago how bad the head was, but I'll show y'all again once I get it pulled back apart. But it needs a whole rebuild, a top end rebuild, timing chain, all that. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna throw it on, and I'll get this off. Let me get in the shop, I'll get this off, show y'all just how bad it is. And yeah, and then we can maybe we'll get it running tonight. That's the plan. If not, I mean, this video is about it running, so you'll know when it's running. And we're using the trusty dusty foot lift because I blocked everything in here and I had to move all this stuff around.
3 weeks later.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a month probably since we started on the Rincon. A lot has happened, and I didn't record it, or if I did record it, it just didn't match up. So I just cut all the middle part out from when we took it out and put it in here. But we got it done. So let me show you all the things we found wrong with the old Rincon, along with something that I didn't even notice, but we ended up doing it, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, here's the head that I was talking about. If you look right there, you can see where it was cracked and somebody tried to weld it. The whole bottom end of the engine was nothing but water, and you can actually see, if you look in here, you can actually see like algae growing in here. No brainer. Okay, then after I got everything running, I noticed it wasn't idle. The actually choke needle here was broke off, which is kind of weird. I've never seen one break off. But there's always a force for everything, I guess. It was kind of weird because I was like, why won't it run? It run high idle and everything. Jets were clean. All it was the choke. The choke was broke. It was cheaper just buy a whole new carburetor. And we got the top end on. We got all the new chain. I had to take the whole front end off. The torque converter, all that, which is still weird to me that it has a torque converter instead of clutches. And the thing that I'm surprising y'all with is the guy did not give me a 650 jug and piston. He gave me a 680 jug and piston. So I did a lot of homework, and apparently you can just put a 680 top end on these and they'll run. And I've been driving around, and so far it seems to work. See? Starts right up, runs. I swear, this thing sounds, it does a tip on it, or it just sounds really good. It reminds me a lot of a CVT. The only difference is you can feel it downshift. And sometimes, to me, after driving around a little bit, it's kind of raining. I don't know if y'all can tell. It's been raining all morning. And it kind of like, you can feel it downshift. I have it idle too low, by the way, in case you wonder why it cut off. Anyways, we're going to wait for the rain to stop, and we're going to take this thing out and drive it around because I really want to test it out.
1 eternity later.
Okay, it finally stopped sprinkling for a little bit. I mean, technically it's still raining, but it's not as bad. That's about as fast as she wanted to go. I wonder if that's the top speed or something wrong with it, but I don't know. Well, that was not fun. It died. We got hit. Well, the carburetor thing. What we got? We got gas. Got gas. Everything seems fine. Huh. Maybe a fluke? Looks like it ran out of gas almost. Okay, we got her in ESP, electric shift position, maybe? I don't know. Oh wait, first kill. It did it again. It just doesn't want to walk the shifter. I wonder why though. Like, you think it would work. I wonder if there's some electric issue. Again, I don't know. This thing came to me not running with the timing chain off, so what the thing really needs is a low gear. I know y'all seen the new Rincon, and I like the look of it, but I hate that it still has a 3-speed. Neutral, voice, high. And it doesn't work. It just doesn't. It's not low enough. These that's what I, like, so far this thing got power, but there's no low end grunt. I mean, don't get me wrong, she's not weak by any means, but compared to like a normal Honda, I don't feel that bottom end. And again, it's still got plenty of power. This thing got a lot of power. A good, not clutch kit, but a good gear reduction. She could be a bad thing. Cut it off. Cut it back on. Look, it's back. I don't get it. Let's see if we can wheelie this thing. I don't know if you can or not. I don't know if you can wheelie a Rincon. That was my fault. No. This thing has, I don't know if it's, I'm sure if you took these tiles off and put regular tiles, she might do it, but let's put like, will she do it? No. Let's try again. Okay, we put her back in auto because it kicked out again for some reason. If anybody knows why, let me know in the comments. Yeah, she won't do it. I tried, guys. Wow, that door is... Woo! Oh no, I tore up the yard. I'm in trouble. That's 2. That's 3. Oh, it only has 3 gears. I knew it was... I feel stupid. When I heard 3-speed, I don't know why it never hit me that it actually only had 3 speeds. That would explain. I thought something was wrong because I was like, it's not downshifting enough. Oh, it's not downshifted enough because it only got 3 gears, people. Let's see if we can cross this ditch. You would. Wrong with this thing? It might need a different jet because it's like, I don't know how to explain it. I've crossed this before and it ain't too bad today. See how, oh crap. My dad's gonna kick my butt. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the Rincon did pretty good. I mean, the 3-speed, people, I don't like it. Like, I thought, man, it should have more top end. I was like, finally got the shifting to work, and it's like, nope, that's all she got. 1, 2, 3, done. Like, what? I knew it was a 3-speed, and for some reason my mind never clicked 3 gears, and because I kept like, it ain't downshifting enough. It ain't shifting up enough. It's because 3-speed. Like, I thought it was drive, neutral, reverse maybe, and that's what. But it's actually 3-speed as in 3 gears, which I should have known that. Feel stupid. I should know that. I know all this stuff, and sometimes guys just have a brain fart. But anyways, it's now a 680. It runs good. It does have the blow-in grunt, but I guess I'm used to the Can-Am and the 6x6 Honda 300, which literally just crazy bottom end. But it's not bad. It is still a really good four-wheeler. And I would love to go play with it in the mud, but it's not mine. It's a customer. So we sadly can't do nothing. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this video. Leave a like, a comment, and please subscribe so we can get all the subscriptions in the world. Anyways, guys, I will see you on the next one, which I really don't know what's going to happen. See y'all then.